Picture this, the year is 1173, and the city of Pisa, Italy, is about to embark on an ambitious project. A project that would symbolize the city's wealth and power, a project that would stand the test of time, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. This freestanding bell tower, a companion to the city's grand cathedral, was an architectural marvel, conceived and brought to life by the visionary Bonanno Pisano. With its striking white marble, the tower was a beacon of grandeur against the azure Italian sky. Each stone was carefully placed, each layer meticulously added. The tower wasn't just a structure, it was a testament to the cultural significance of the 12th century, a period when architecture was considered an art, a form of expression. It was a time when buildings were more than just bricks and mortar. They were the heart and soul of a city. The foundation was laid, the stones were set, but little did the Pisans know their tower was destined for a lean. As the third floor rose in 1178, an unexpected twist occurred. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, a marvel of medieval engineering, began to tilt. This wasn't part of the design, but it was a consequence of the soft, marshy ground on which the stone monument was erected. The foundation, a mere 3 meters deep, was woefully insufficient for the towering structure it was meant to support. Imagine, if you will, a 3-story building tipping slowly to one side, its base sinking into the ground. The architects and builders must have watched in dismay as their creation began to list. The tower's lean was not a deliberate act of architectural defiance, but rather a result of the ground beneath it giving way. But the lean was not the only challenge the tower had to face. The city of Pisa was locked in a series of wars with neighboring states, causing construction of the tower to halt for nearly a century. While this pause may have seemed like a setback, it was actually a blessing in disguise. The cessation of work on the tower allowed time for the soil beneath to compress, to settle under the weight of the already existing structure. This lengthy pause, although unplanned, likely saved the Leaning Tower from an early demise. Had construction continued without this break, the soft soil, unable to bear the increasing weight, might have caused the tower to topple over. So the wars of Pisa, while disrupting the lives of its citizens and the construction of their bell tower, indirectly contributed to the survival of this architectural marvel. The tower leaned, but it did not fall. The pause in construction had unknowingly saved the tower, but the lean was there to stay. It became a unique feature, a quirk that would make the tower famous worldwide, a testament to the unexpected outcomes that can arise from a combination of human ambition, nature's whims, and the unforeseen turns of history. Despite its precarious lean, the construction of the tower resumed in 1272. The architects faced a unique challenge. The building was already tilting, and the ground beneath it was proving to be less stable than they'd hoped. But, instead of abandoning the project, they saw it as an opportunity to demonstrate their architectural prowess. So, they came up with an ingenious solution. They decided to build the upper floors with one side taller than the other, essentially trying to straighten the lean. The construction was a meticulous process, a balancing act of the highest order. Every stone, every arch, every column had to be calculated and placed with precision, keeping in mind the tower's distinctive tilt. The architects' determination bore fruit, and their innovative approach added a new chapter in the annals of architectural history. Their efforts were akin to a symphony, where every note has a purpose and every instrument plays a role in creating a harmonious whole. Speaking of symphonies, let's not forget the bells. In 1372, the bell chamber was finally added, marking the completion of the tower. It housed 7 beautifully crafted bells, each representing a note of the musical major scale. These weren't just bells, they were the final notes to the architectural symphony that was the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Their chimes echoed through the city, a melodious celebration of human achievement against all odds. The completion of the tower was an event of joy and relief. It was proof that even when faced with seemingly insurmountable challenges, human ingenuity, determination, and persistence can triumph. The architects had not just built a tower, they had built a testament to their resilience and creativity. After nearly 200 years of construction, the Leaning Tower of Pisa stood complete, a testament to human ingenuity and persistence. Despite the odds, the tower stood, not just as a marvel of medieval architecture, but as a symbol of human spirit, a beacon of hope that resonates even today. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, a symbol of resilience and architectural marvel, has stood the test of time. Its iconic tilt, a testament to the architectural audacity of the past, has captivated the hearts and minds of people worldwide. Over the centuries, this unique structure has emerged as a beacon of history, inviting millions to marvel at its precarious lean and the story that comes with it. The tower's fame, however, is not just about its unusual lean. It's about survival. It's about the relentless human spirit that refused to let this architectural marvel succumb to nature's whims. For centuries, the tower has been the subject of numerous preservation efforts, each aimed at safeguarding its legacy for generations to come. Fast forward to the 20th and 21st centuries when the tower's lean became a matter of grave concern. The tilt had become so pronounced that the tower was at risk of collapsing entirely. A global effort was launched to save the Leaning Tower of Pisa from an untimely demise. The most significant of these efforts was the restoration project carried out between 1990 and 2001. This ambitious undertaking aimed to reduce the tower's lean by 45 centimeters. Engineers from around the world worked tirelessly, employing innovative techniques to gently straighten the tower without damaging its unique character. The project was a resounding success. Not only did it prevent the tower from collapsing, but it also ensured that the tower's lean remained a distinctive feature, albeit a safer one. The tower that had been leaning dangerously for centuries was made stable, its future secured for many more centuries to come. Today, the Leaning Tower of Pisa leans no more than it did back in 1372, a lasting legacy of architectural audacity and a symbol of human resilience. The tower's story stands as a testament to the power of human ingenuity, a tale of a structure that refused to fall, of a monument that continues to lean, and of a legacy that continues to inspire. In the course of 7 minutes, we've journeyed through centuries. From the tower's inception, the surprising lean, its triumphant completion, to its enduring legacy and preservation. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, an architectural marvel, a symbol of resilience, and a testament to the audacity of human spirit, continues to captivate us all.